Hey, what's up, Homecooks? Hey, today's video, we're gonna show you these. We're gonna do some braised pork shanks with some white beans. All right. So, first thing first, let's go ahead and get our seasoning and our dredge up on these. We're gonna add white flour, some white AP flour. You want to get them coated good. Then you want to season them up properly. Your pepper. Some salt. You're going to do a little thyme. Little paprika. Get your oil started. You just need a little oil just to get them browned off. All right. Now, got them all seasoned up, ready to go. All right, got your oil nice and good, ready to go. All right, just gonna let that do its thing for a minute. Try to turn them every couple of seconds, every couple of minutes, just so you won't brown on each side. We'll be back. All right, home cook. We're gonna keep this simple. We're gonna do carrots. It's only making for two. So do carrot. Onion. I'm gonna do some celery. A little whimsy. It's a whole celery. Alright, on cook. Should be good and browned up right now. We're gonna remove these from the. Go ahead and cut that off for a second. Get it off the heat. Set those aside. Now we're gonna work on our veggies. All right, now you got your oven preheated 375. Or you can go 375. And you got your, go ahead and turn your, put that on the medium low. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just cook off these vegetables a little bit. So while he's going, they'll start sweating. And when they sweat, you just want to get those little crunchy bits off the bottom. So just let them go for about 3 minutes. And then when they miss it, what you're doing there, go ahead and cut yourself up some fresh garlic. I'm putting my garlic in like this, little pieces like this here. And I like it, the pieces in here, but you do however you choose. You want to wait and add your garlic. Wait until you add your broth or stock before you add your garlic. All right. There we go. Got a little crunchy bits off the bottom. That's gonna make that gravy for you at the end. Alright, smells lovely. Make sure you season it every time here, so we're gonna salt. A little pepper. Parsley. Some thyme. You want to season aggressively because you're going to be adding just your stock to it. We're going to do a paprika. You want fresh garlic. Just gonna drop a dash of cumin in there. Just a dash. Let those spices bloom a second. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. We'll go ahead. We're gonna add our white beans now. And you go ahead and add your garlic. Ooh. Man, now you want to go ahead, add your shanks back in, add your stock. Go ahead and add your stock in. See how beautiful that vegetable broth is. Homemade, takes about 30 minutes. And put a little bit of that in there. Make sure you get all those crunchy bits off the bottom there. Go ahead and add your shank. Go ahead and turn it up and down to 350. Go ahead and add the rest of your broth to cover the meat. Yeah, I'm just gonna add it all because That's what I made it for. Now, so you want it submerged. All right. Put your top on. Get it in the oven. All right, we're gonna let it go for about 2 hours. Check it every hour, should be good. Maybe let it go for an hour and a half, it should be ready to go. Peace. All right, home cook. It's been about an hour and a half. Let's see what we got. Ooh, looking pretty good, yeah. All right. Still a little, I guess we can go a little, wait a minute, that thing mad tender though. Okay. All right. I think we are good. We're just gonna let this thing sit on top of the stove and reduce. Without the lid on it for about 20, just to bring that together. Get that liquid out of there. A little bit of it. We need most of it, but we want to make that gravy a little thicker. All right, so let it simmer for probably about a half hour, so it should be done. All right, peace. All right, home cooks. All right, home cooks. We are to the consistency we want with our gravy. We're just gonna let it go ahead and cut it off and let it chill, and then we'll revisit it. We'll revisit it here in a minute. Peace. All right, home cooks. We done got dipped up. Add some finishings to it. Pork shank, cannellini, white bean, little stewy thing. Yeah, let's go in, see what we got. Oh. That's crazy. How that bone just come up out of there like that. That's crazy. Wow. It's one of them homely warm dishes that make your soul warm. Man, cookies or hot sauce. Alright, home cooks, you need to make this. This is banging. Feel good. Peace.